celebrated in honor of the Indian Ordinance factories, which are the world's largest government-owned defense production organization. Hello everyone, I am Akansha Vajpayee and welcome to LegalStix Talks. OFB, Ordnance Factory Board, is the 37th largest defense equipment manufacturer in the world, second largest in Asia and the largest in India. It is referred to as the fourth arm of defense and the force behind the armed forces of India. Also, it is functioning under the Department of Defense Production of Ministry of Defense. The Indian Ordnance Factories supplies products to all the three Indian armed forces, that is, the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. It is also exporting arms and ammunition, weapon spares, chemicals and explosives, parachutes, leather and clothing items to more than 30 countries worldwide. Now let us know about its history. The Indian Ordnance Factories were established in 1801 in the city of Kolkata by the British East India Company. The primary object of the factories was to produce arms, ammunition and other equipments for the British forces stationed in India. After India gained independence in 1947, the ordnance factories were taken over by the Indian government and their focus shifted towards meeting the defense requirements of the country. Over the years, the ordnance factories have grown in size and scale, and with 41 factories spread across the country, employing over 1.5 lakh people, they produce a wide range of products from small arms and ammunition to tanks and missile launchers. Before going, let me tell you few things which will help you in competitive exams. Who is the Director General and Chairman of Ordnance Factory? Well, C.S. Vishwakarma. And where is the headquarters of Ordnance Factory Board? It is in Kolkata, West Bengal. That's all for today. And as always, thanks for your support.